Yeah, I got Billy Bob.
Hello, everybody. Glad to see the river rats out on the river today.
Yeah, got the shuttle driver and the automobile corrector.
That's right, man. Just call me J-O-14, number 1, 2, 3. I got it all fixed, baby.
4WD.
4WD.
Trail Bros.
Oh, have a great day.
Appreciate it. We will. Yes. Ready? Ready. Alright, let's go. All right, folks. The water is warm, the air is cool, and we are super stoked for this weekend. So, if you remember our last trip, we started at Green River Lake and went to Russel Ford. So this time we are returning to Russel Ford and continuing down about 18 miles, I think, to Glenview. So slowly but surely, we're sectioning out the Green River. It's a beautiful river too, so we can't wait to share it with you.
I can't believe how quiet it is.
Yeah. Gorgeous.
When we go through downtown Greensburg, you can actually, really going to be like right there by the buildings and streets.
We'll be able to, we'll mostly hear traffic.
All right, we had a wonderful time at lunch. I think we're about 5 miles in, just past the town of Greensburg, so we're finally caught up to where we thought we were going to be last year. The weather's been wonderful. It's been sunny, cloudy, cool breezes, and warm water. Oh, we can instantly tell that our troubles have just melted away this afternoon. Man, love this river life. See ya down the trail. Oh, down the river.
Like up towards about 3/4 of the way up the street.
All right, made it to camp. Oh, what a wonderful day it was. Did about 10 or 11 miles and we're all beat. Anywho, we have a wonderful meal to cook tonight. I can't wait, and especially a nice campfire. I don't know about you guys, but Samuel was talking about how this is probably the prettiest meal we've ever had. Oh boy, yummy. Boys, it was good dinner.
Mm-hmm. Oh man, the steak is cooked really well actually. That's a little weird. I should take my tent down before the wind started blowing more.
Good morning. All right, back on the water. Had a wonderful time at camp last night. A great campfire, great friends, and just a wonderful night's rest. We got woke up around 3 o'clock this morning with a nasty thunderstorm, so everything this morning is soaking wet. But waking up to a nice cool morning, doing a little fly fishing, have some trail pancakes and coffee, made it all worthwhile. We'll see you down the river. Maybe some possible arches there. Yeah, there you go. Right there. Right there, goes right through it. Who knew we'd be finding arches on the green? That's awesome.
I marked the pin on my phone so I know where that spot is at. There's a road that leads right up to it. So,
Looky, looky.
I mean,
Who we got there? Trail Angel Bill. Here to pick us up. Wow, this chungus is heavy. That's what she said.
Master flapjacker.
Trail Tribe river rats. We smell like dank, but we had some good steak. I bestow you the chungus. I bestow upon you a W Sir Chungus. Surf's up, dudes.